Hey all, let's draw a rose in just 1 minute. It's super quick and easy. Grab a pen and a piece of paper. Now I'm doing these little leaves first, just to get the placement of my rose. They're just long squiggly V shapes. Then we tuck in some little parentheses shapes and draw 2 straight lines. Now we're going to put in these beautiful plump petals. Grab your wobbly pen and have fun with it. They're just giant open upside down U shapes or little V shapes. We're almost done putting in just a few little detail lines, and then we're going to paint it with watercolor. Now the watercolor is going to be in a speed video, but you'll get to see all of the fun effects. I had such a lovely time. I hope you do too. Be creative. This is Deliberately Creative. I'm Stephanie. I hope that you enjoyed this. Click that subscribe button.